To be honest, I did chuck one of them out because I really didn't like it.
Oh, okay.
Yes!
I don't have much to say on that. Kevin Murphy is one thing I've always asked about. Where's your... Oh, there it is. Robin, please tell us. I've not used these before, but I get asked about them all the time.
Kevin Murphy is a brand I love. If you don't know about... I can't be sitting like this. Legs are going to see. Kevin Murphy is a brand I love. It's an Australian brand by Kevin Murphy. He was a session stylist, hairdresser, and then created his own products. They're all cruelty-free.
Oh, nice.
Completely.
They don't rave about it though either, which is quite nice because it's like, it should be standard, you know?
They just get on with it.
Yeah.
Gritty Business has been discontinued.
Oh, is it good?
It's really good, and I bought another one just before it finished.
Wait,
it's bentonite, bentonite clay. So bentonite, it is
everything.
Amazing. And if you've got fine hair, then bentonite actually swells your hair.
Ooh. Bentonite clay is actually the main ingredient in cat litter.
Oh.
And if you buy unscented, cheap cat litter, you can use it as a face mask.
Gorgeous. Yeah. There we go.
There's a top tip for you. So I feel like we can't do this video without talking about
BluMaan.
BluMaan. I like 2 of their products.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like the Meraki, the relaunched one, that's a bit softer, and the Cavalier clay. But I did say in my video, there's nothing too special about the Cavalier clay, but it's a good basic clay. Yeah. But I do like this one. I've not tried their other products.
To be honest, I did chuck one of them out because I really didn't like it. I think my thing with this, I did a couple of... Basically, James, I had to call a review an honest review because I received such a backlash from fanboys about stuff, and I was like, this is not about a person.
Yeah.
I think what this company has done, which is fronted by Joe from BluMaan. Obviously called BluMaan. I think what they're doing is great, and it's exciting, and I think as a sort of entrepreneur and think that's great, but that's an aside. I don't massively go out for these. There was one of the products that I did do a first impressions on, and that was a pomade, and I didn't think it was bad. Yeah. I thought it was absolutely okay.
I'm looking forward to seeing if they come out with other products rather than just a styling. Like, I want to see a pre-styler, I want to see something a bit more. I'm kind of bored.
I'm not bothered about seeing anything.
You're not bothered, are you? No.
I'm fine with that.
Yeah. Oh.
I've never opened it.
It's still in a packet.
Should we open it?
Should we open it?
Yeah, I've got a Burberry hair product.
This is Burberry hair and beard clay.
I don't like when brands do a hair and beard because
we don't like these
two different types of hair.
Yeah, completely different. I mean...
Well, that was quite nice.
Packet of
Saxo.
Open that, can you? Yeah, what?
What are you doing, Burberry? Ooh, wow, that feels... Feel that.
Oh,
that feels
heavy,
nice.
Yeah, is that metal? Wow.
Someone's got the cash to splash.
Yeah, Burberry. Oh, it smells like locker room actually. It's a bit bit manly. Oh, American Crew. What are you thinking?
American Crew, I think, definitely has a place.
Yeah.
But I think of that as a real sort of, almost like a budget sort of product line.
Right.
I don't think it's bad, but I think budget-wise, fine.
Good. They sent me quite a few of their bits. Actually, they sent me all of their stuff, which is really nice of them. A few bits I didn't like this, for example, the Firm Hold Styling Gel, mainly because I don't like gel. But their paste and their main styling products are really good, and I still use them. Like, they're in like the main 4 to 5 that I use on a daily basis. For sure. Oh, Baxter's of California.
I didn't get...
Can I open this?
Yeah, of course you can.
Robin has so many products that aren't even opened yet.
I know.
Oh, that smells like lemonade.
Oh my god, that smells really good. It
smells really good, doesn't it?
When I went to LA last March, I went in and met the guys from Baxter, California, tried out this stuff, and they gave me a whole bag of products.
You have got loads.
I've got them all.
This is something I'm interested in. Clay pomade.
Yes.
I've not heard of that before.
So it's just a clay, but Damon Barber also call their stuff clay pomade.
Oh really?
Essentially, it's just a clay. Let's chat fish.
What do you think?
I honestly love fish.
Yeah?
I think as a real budget priced product, the products actually outperform what they are. Never used that. The fish clay is genuinely really very good, and it's like £5 or something. They've also just launched in the US.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I thought they were a US brand.
No,
no,
they're made here. The fish salon is in Soho. And then it's made by K&I Brands, who are also the same people that make the Ted Baker products.
Okay, that's cool. So what, because I did a review, kind of like hair tutorial thing, And do you know what they remind me of is the products that barbers use in the salon. Do you know what I mean? Like they smell like that, they're classic, they do what they need to do. There's nothing too crazy special about them, but they're really good as well. Like I've seen them in barbers, that's probably why. Like professionals do actually use them.
So I have got my sort of most used products in my bedroom. Do you want me to
I would love to see them.
Wait there. The products that I've got here are products that I've like either have yet to try, I'm gonna put back in videos.
Yeah, I have like a save for videos.
This goes in here too. But there's products that I'm currently using that I'm really liking. Oh yes, Nioxin.
Nioxin. We were talking about this earlier.
Yeah, Nioxin's a brand I first used like last February, and I used the System 1 shampoo conditioner treatment, and it genuinely, before I even worked with them, I've got to say that.
Yeah.
It genuinely made my hair thicker.
Because I remember we talked about it like probably like a year ago when we first, because in the salon that I work for, we sell it, and I don't really know the success rate of it, but
it's really good.
Genuine, lovely. So what is it? Is this a pre-styling product?
Yes, this is a pre-styling product called Diaboost, and it kind of works by wrapping itself around the hair and growing. So it's like bubble wrapping hair. It's really, really good. It's almost like a bit like a syrup, the way that it sprays out. This is covered in hair product.
Do you put it in wet hair and blow dry it through?
You can put it in towel dry hair, is what I do, and then hair dryer and boost it.
Nice.
Yeah, it's great.
That sounds good.
Really love that.
I've never heard of that product before, ever.
Current styling products that I'm using are, in no particular order, Apothecary 87 styling clay. This is by a British brand. I will have hopefully done a review.
That's the one we were talking about earlier with the gunpowder.
Yeah. So it's gunpowder scent, but they've also got mango and some vanilla and mango.
I love the smell of like burning wood and like bonfire. It's really like comforting. I don't know why, and this smells just like that. It
smells amazing.
No, Uniqlo do a candle in this scent.
Do they?
It's literally called burnt wood. What's that?
Your favourite, label.m matte paste.
Matte paste is, I've been using this since I was 14.
I think you got me into that, really.
Did I?
Yeah.
The smell of it, the texture of it, like the hold of it, everything about it is just, it just works. Like it cuts my getting ready time in half. Like I'll just use it and my hair's done. It's super quick.
It's really, even for me with fine hair, it's really responsive.
Yeah. But yeah, it is worth every cent, I was gonna say, every penny.
Every penny.
Hanz De Fuko Claymation.
Yes. So, my thoughts and feelings are, Hanz De Fuko, we've got two things here. One is a business, much like how I feel about BluMaan, and also the Pete and Pedro stuff, and also Salon Guy too. The way that they have built a sort of a brand, I think is amazing.
Yes.
And Hanz De Fuko were one of the first ones to really employ, but without paying, YouTube people.
Yes.
They sent me a whole lot of products, and
so true.
the return on that investment of nothing has been insane.
Yeah.
But I don't think the products are that great. However, Claymation I actually do quite like.
Claymation is really good.
Yeah, I like it.
Claymation is very good. I reviewed a few products. I got their little sample
pack.
I really liked their quicksand.
Yeah.
That was like a dry shampoo and a styling product all in one. Not too keen on anything else other than quicksand Claymation. I was impressed with their products.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, these are decent, but I think it's because it was all very new. Like they do a lot of products that aren't really out there, if that makes sense. Like some of their creams, quicksand, I think I've not seen anything like that anywhere else.
They had beef with BluMaan last year.
Which is why I stopped using them. The thing that I think got to me was that, first of all, don't do that. That's weird. You're a brand, you know. It's odd, right?
It was like a sort of a smear campaign.
And then the fact that, do you know what really annoys me at the end is like, oh, we were hacked. You weren't fucking hacked. Just fire the person that done it and apologise, you know? So this may be 2 parts, depending on how the editing goes.
Sure.
It may not be 2 parts. But thank you for showing me your collection. Like, I'm kind of jealous. Because there's quite a bit in here that I want to try. So let us know if you used any of these products before, your brutally honest opinion, what you would recommend us to use, what you don't like, what's a load of crap, and then also your favourite product. Just tell me everything about your products down below. Go and check out the video we did over on Robin's channel, link here again in the description box. And I don't know, if you comment on this video, I'll probably pin it or something.
Pin it.
Pin it. So yeah, definitely check out that video. It's a good one, we had fun, but that's it for now, guys.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, you're welcome.
Anytime.
We'll try not to leave it a year until we do this again.
Subscribe to James's channel now if you've not yet pressed subscribe.
Yeah, please do. But that is it for now, guys. I'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.